Hi, today we are doing the practice set for lesson 35, naming mixed numbers and money. Now you do not have this in your journal, so you will need to have a blank sheet of paper to do this, or a lined sheet. The practice set, I'm going to just do it right here with what's on our book. They want you to write the mixed numbers that are illustrated in the shaded picture, and here we have 2 and 1/4. This one is 3 and 1/3. What I would like you to do is to pause and then do these and then come back and see if they match my answers. Draw in the shaded circle to illustrate these numbers. Here's 1. But this is not a mixed number. So use words to write each mixed number. Guys, we're going to pass on this because I think I'm not seeing what we need to do, but that's okay. Write each amount with a cent sign instead of a dollar sign. So we would see 17 cents and 5 cents. We don't have to have all those little zeros. Write each amount with a dollar sign instead of a cent sign, and we would go decimal 0.8 with a money sign, and we go decimal 3.0 with a money sign. Write the value of 2 quarters, 2 dimes, and 1 nickel with a dollar sign. So 2 quarters is 50 cents plus 2 dimes, which is 70 cents, and 1 nickel with a dollar sign. So that would be 75 cents, and then we put a little thing. Then use a cent sign, and we would say this, 75 cents. Use words to write $20.05. I don't know if I can fit this in. Dollars and 5 cents. Whoops, I'm off the board. And then show how to write dollars line, and this check would be 12 and 25 over 100, and then we make a line. And there you have it. Hey, have a great day.